this the zip tie for this?
Oh, yeah.
The light?
Where do you want this?
What?
The cardboard.
Up there. It's gotta go right here.
Put it in your pocket. It's not gonna fit.
Did you try it?
Yeah. You didn't try it.
No, you didn't.
You and Tim are in here?
No, you're in there.
Am I?
Somebody else.
Sweet. You can go through the house, Tristan.
Yeah.
You're not going through the door.
Just make sure the basement door is closed, Kevin.
Nobody.
Good, because I have a call for you to do.
What?
So, across the
First of all, did you ask these guys if it was okay if we videotaped it? Okay.
Where's that?
No, it's just the top of the line.
Yeah.
It's crazy. So why am I doing it? You got the perfect attitude for the perfect
Delivery of our new fridge.
What?
Wouldn't fit through the door or the hallway. Gotta go in through the kitchen window. This is probably a first.
Yeah?
Do it. Whoops. Watch that knife, Sam. And now you guys are gonna have to stand on the chairs or whatever.
Is it like right on the edge, Jimmy?
Pretty much.
You got a few inches. You got 6, 8, 10.
You gonna do that the whole way?
The wheels aren't going to touch, though.
I know, that's what I'm doing next. How far I was going on the wheel?
Yeah, it's gotta do that. That'll be good.
When I go on that side, we'll just grab it like this. If it with a box, and step up.
What?
Hang on, what's on the back of this fridge? Anything?
Water line?
Water line, cord, obviously.
Cord and water line.
Alright.
There's a water line.
Hey guys, how are ya?
What are you trying to grab?
You'll be at our house in the next week or so again.
We're not doing this, though, right?
No.
I can't stand there. My foot's going to go right through.
That's what I'm saying.
Anyways. See you guys.
See ya.
Hey, have fun.
It's getting cold tonight.
I will.
Ready? You guys ready?
Yeah,
Kinda.
We're just
Ready
gonna
as I'll ever be.
Okay, we're gonna kind of lean it on the windowsill, like on this thing.
And then you guys gotta kind of slide it in while we
We're
lift.
just going to have to hold it up. for a
Pretty much
second.
just hold it in so that we can re-grip and pull it in.
You got a second. How about we stand on this?
Because it's not buckling, eh?
Yeah.
Another 200 pounds goes
Built like a
on
brick
that.
shit house. I'm gonna stand right up on this stuff too.
Okay.
Ready?
Whenever you're ready.
Ready?
Yep.
Just kinda-
Okay, hold up. Yep.
Watch that window.
Sorry. That's okay. You got room. Come a bit.
Hey, you guys got to lift it a little bit.
Yeah. Ready?
Water lines.
Then you guys run inside there if you want there.
I got that. Yep. One sec, guys.
Hold on, Jimmy's coming in there.